All right, this is the done for you $500 a day affiliate system, and I'm going to break this down really quick because it's quite simple, but a little bit actually it's a little bit complex, right? So what we do is we are generating leads for lawyers. Why lawyers? Because lawyers pay the most out per lead out of any industry. We're talking about $500 payouts sometimes for a single lead, depending on the state. So what we do is we generate leads with YouTube ads. We then collect them in a software called Survey Gizmo, and then we connect that Survey Gizmo to Bobberdo using Zapier. And then we have to have a web developer actually set up the system of connecting Survey Gizmo to Zapier to Bobberdo. And then we use Offer Vault to find lawyers that want leads. So I'll show you right now what we can do. If we go to offervault.com and we just search right here pay per call, which is the same thing as pay per lead. Most of these people have pay per lead and pay per call. And we search legal, it's going to come up with a ton of people that are willing. Look at this. Pay per call, $350 per lead, $300 per lead, $300 per lead. And those aren't even the top ones. Some of these are $800 a lead. So you can see these people up to 1,000 in California. This is actually realistic, specifically in California. So right now we are working with a couple of these people. They do pay out very well and very consistently. And all we have to do is generate a couple leads with YouTube ads a day. We have proven videos that we keep to ourselves, but we do have the scripts available for you. You'll find them below this video. And you go ahead and essentially have those videos recorded. You run YouTube ads to Survey Gizmo. Use Zapier to connect that to Bobberdo. Offer Vault's where you find your things, and web developers are just really to help you out through the process. Now, there is quite a bit more to this, and quite honestly, I can't cover this in a 10-minute video. So if you want this thing just done for you entirely end-to-end, guaranteed $500 per day within your first 30 days, our average customer is getting a 20 to 40% profit margin on these type of investments. Then all you have to do is go ahead and click book a call below, or just like click the special offer button, and it'll take you to schedule a call with us where you can actually discuss having us set this whole thing up for you. Once again, I'll provide more resources below, but there are some parts that I do just have to keep to ourselves because, quite honestly, it's got a lot of sensitive information in it. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys go ahead and just take us up on the offer to have us build this for you because it's quite lucrative. Actually, I'll show you our dashboard here. If we go to accounting, this is just one of the other tools we use to monitor accounting. So today we made 100, what is this? You see one of our leads, we got paid $157. And then the other one we got paid $34. Now if we look at, let's just do this week. Made $800 this week. And last 7 days, let's just take $600 yesterday. It's only Tuesday, by the way. And last 7 days, we've done $4,000 in leads. So you can actually see that these are our leads and how much we're getting paid out per lead, quantity and whatnot. So these are all the payouts that we've received. You can see something like $150, $122, $115, $105 is a very common price point to get paid. And these leads are costing us anywhere between $30 and $80 depending on the day. So really high profit margins and really stable source of income. So if you can figure out yourself and just puzzle this together, I've put a lot more info below, so you will have the resources. But otherwise, just have us do it for you, and we'd love to help. I'll talk to you soon.